Monday. So good to me. Welcome, everybody, to the Daily Market Commentary. I'm your host, Chuck Fulkerson, having an absolutely amazing Monday as I want to welcome you all back after the Easter weekend. We are here bright and early, about 5 o'clock on the Central Time Zone, as we are just taking a look at some of the overnight market movements. For a more detailed video, you're going to want to watch the one that I posted last night, which is our weekend edition of the commentary, because frankly, not a whole lot has changed. So I'm not really going to spend very long in today's video. I'm just going to highlight a couple of things. So in the ES overnight, on the overnight video, we had talked about a potential short on a breakdown below 26.29.2, and it didn't break down. So we haven't gotten the breakdown from this yet. I still believe that it's a pretty good possibility and a pretty decent trade opportunity if it does break down. I do like the fact that we've not got a lot of movement up above it, so this could be still a standing opportunity. Same thing. Nothing really has changed in the Nasdaq overnight. Crude oil, we had reached the entry point to this as a potential trade if it got halfway into the level. Well, we didn't quite get there yet. And so now I'm feeling a little less confident about this as a reversal point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this line. You guys know that I don't really remove lines unless I'm doing a video, so I want to make sure that I remove that one. I don't love this area any longer simply because of the way that we're chopping around in it. As a matter of fact, it's really now changed more to a breakout style of a trade than anything, but I'm not going to really do anything at this point. I think we very well still may come down from here, but I'm not willing to take the risk in something that we've approached and chopped around sideways in for very long. What typically happens in my experience with that is when we chop along sideways, we break out violently one way or the other. And you take a look at something like this area back here in the past would have been an example of that, where we reached the level, we kind of chopped around in it for a while, and then we broke out down, and then we came right back up. And so those are just ways to get stopped out. And so what I'm going to do is on something like this, I'm gonna play the cautionary tale of staying back a little bit and allowing the market to pick a direction, and then I'll follow through on something like that. Gold, we had a potential, short on a breakdown below this area here last night. We'd spoken about this. We did not get that little bit of a breakdown, and so since we didn't, I'm going to leave this in play as it currently stands. Looking quickly at our currencies after the overnight movements, nothing really has met our entry point. The euro is coming really close to this entry point that we had talked about, but still didn't quite reach it in that area there. And certainly last but not least would be the British pound, Japanese yen, and it's not come in either one of these as well. So really not a whole lot to add to the commentary from what we had happen last night. Just kind of keep your areas in line, understand where your risks lie, and find your turning points. And until tomorrow, if something comes up today that I happen to spot, I will throw it on the Twitter feed. For those of you that follow me on Twitter, I'll try to put something out there. If you don't follow me on Twitter, it's just at Chuck Fulkerson. Is the Twitter feed, and you can catch me there. So hope everybody has a great Monday, and I will see you soon. Later.